My name is Joseph Kocevar. I am the CEO of Kocevar Welding Company. We are situated here in the central part of Slovenia. We focus exclusively on resistance welding, all different kind of resistance welding applications. Whenever possible, we try to implement a solution to our customers, not only to be a seller or to offer them components from Bosch Rexroth, but also to give them a really solution to a specific problem. I think this is the best way to approach our clients and to go forward on their projects together with them side by side. Apart from offering to our customers components and spare parts from Bosch Rexroth, we also offer know-how and let's say sizing of and choosing the right Bosch Rexroth equipment, choosing the latest welding technology from Bosch Rexroth, and just helping our customers getting through the sometimes very stressful project or stressful selection of the right welding equipment.